Yo, Nation, are you looking for a nice, small, portable Bluetooth speaker to rock out with? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this video on this LG XBOOM Go, alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for XBOOM back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, it's your main man Mark, back in another video. Today we're going to take a look at a nice, small, portable Bluetooth speaker. Alright, before we get started, can you do me a quick favor? Can you go down and hit the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. Alright, appreciate it. Alright, today we're going to be looking at, taking a look at the LG XBOOM Go XG5QBK. That's a lot. Where did they come up with these names? I don't know. They just could have simplified it and said the XG5, you know. But anyway, let's go over a few of the specs real quick. Look like you have like 18 hours of playtime, of battery life, but you know that's going to vary, you know, depending on usage. It has a also for a sound, it has, you know, a sound boost EQ on it. I guess pretty much like a bass boost or something like that, you know, to increase the sound. Also, you have some flashing LED, you know, RGB lighting. You know, your man Mark likes some RGB. Let's see here. What else? Oh, also it has the LG XBOOM app. So once you download the XBOOM app, it lets you take more of advantage of all the features that this speaker has to offer. Also, let's see here. And I'm not mistaken, it also allows you to pair more than one together. But enough talking. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. All right. Let's see here. Let's see what we're working with right here. Go ahead and take. Well, I'll let you see the picture of the box real quick. All right. Side, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy up right here. Let's see here. Go ahead and open this up for you. See what we got in here. All right. Got it wrapped real good. Feel like we got some accessories or something right here. Let's put them to the side. Let's just some cardboard. Let's toss that cardboard out of the way. Okay, you got the speaker, and looks like there's nothing else in the box. All right, so let's set this box to the side because I might need to look at that box again. No, really don't like holding on to them. But anyway, all right, let's take out some of these accessories to see what we got in here. Let's see here. Like you got your instruction booklet. We'll set that to the side. And let's see, do I have to do beast mode? Nope, it opened up real easy. All right, this is the charging cable. So that's pretty much all you got in the box. You didn't get no 3.5, but I got a feeling that they don't have that on it anymore. But if you can see this right here, you got, you know, USB-C charging cable. All right, let's set it to the side. Let's go get to the start of the show. Let's take it out of the box. Well, not out of the box, out of the paper rather. You know what I'm thinking about. All right, let's get this paper out of the way. In fact, throw all this paper out of the way. All right, got it out of the way. Let's see here. Okay, this it's a nice little, nice looking little Bluetooth speaker. It's tiny, it's small, it's tiny, and this will be one of the videos I forgot to have my my tape measure, but we'll check that out a little later. But let me let you take a look at it. Let's see here. All right, it looks like we have okay, what we can see. Okay, we have the power button, and you have your little LED right here to let you know the battery life. And you have your Bluetooth button, lower volume, higher volume, and then you got the play and pause, and you got the sound boost. But I do think that this the volume buttons do double duty as for skip track and backtrack. So, but we'll check that a little bit later. And you got your sound boost button. This looks pretty nice. This looks pretty nice. This is a smaller one. For some reason, I thought that it was going to be like the mid tier version, but you know that's what happens when you're in a rush and you're ordering stuff. But this looks pretty decent. Nice little base radiators right here. Let's see here. Let's open up the bottom. Okay. You got your, look like you have oh yeah. Well, they do have 3.5, but they just didn't include the cable. But, you know, ain't no big deal, you know, at least I don't think, no, it ain't wrapped in here, okay. And you got your USB-C charging slot, and you can't use this as a power bank. And I'm gonna do some more reading on here to check out to see what size battery it has in here. But you know, they say it's supposed to sound pretty good. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get some nice copyright-free music so we can see what this bad boy sounds like. All right, hold tight.
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the Reno Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice. They told me that less is simple. I'm observing in the room, I be flying all on the wall. Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some awe. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. Don't know where you been, how you knowing where you are. Just cruising tonight, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to you. Slept through off the time, check occasions, it wasn't love we was prepping for, but was something adjacent. I can't be wasting lines. I'm meant for something to say in a time where everything vague and the in-between is not within. Everything is intention, but still I tend to do it wrong. Can you fault me for wanting you? Was you let alone? Both hurt, but I wasn't taunting you. I just thought it ought to be what I was supposed to do, else I wasn't approaching you. I put my heart on your sleeve, wore like a brooch to you, and all in all the outcome would be what it would be. You took a chance, I took the lead. We shook as sheets, advanced and did the deed. Don't blame it on me, we grown, it's a natural thing. Just cruising tonight, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to your floor.
Okay, man, woo, man. This thing sounds pretty good, man. For its size, it sounds pretty good. But one thing you notice when I was pressing the sound boost button, it's a huge difference. When you press that sound boost button, it is a huge difference. Cause let me tell you, first when I had it with the sound boost off, it sounded like it was like restrained or something like that. But once you push that sound boost, everything seemed like it just comes into color. You like first it was in black and white, and then all of a sudden it just a burst of color. It just starts sounding real sharp and bright sound when you press that sound boost. So man, I'm impressed. That loud sound coming out of such a small package. Plus you got your little RGB lighting on there, man. And then paired with the XBOOM app, man, you can't go wrong with this, man. I'm like, man, this is pretty decent for its size. Man, this is packing a punch. Man, I would have liked to have seen some kind of little handle on here or something, or at least come with some kind of case so you won't damage it, especially you worry about these base rated right here, because you don't want to damage them. But other than that, man, this thing sounds good. Like I said, it has like 18 hours of battery life, and that's going to depend on usage. And they're saying it's an IP67 dust and water resistant. So I mean, you got your LED lights and the XBOOM app. I mean, what else you want, man? Great sound, cool looking lights, cool looking speaker. You got your let's see what here. You got your you can put an old school device in there too. Man, this is a whole package for something this small. This is a whole package right here. I'm really liking this. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on it. Like I said, something that I didn't mention or something else in there that, like I say, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. So just showing these products I get right here on the channel. So if you want more detailed information, go ahead and click on that link. Get one for yourself or get more detailed information on this product. Because I'm telling you, this is a nice little speaker right here for its size and price. This is a decent little speaker. XBOOM, LG. They did it again. All right. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It really helps the channel. And it allows me to have cool looking products like this to display on the channel. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for the day is, believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect anybody else to? Alright? So, the message for the day is believe in yourself. Alright? This has been your boy, your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Fuse. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Friday night, trying to rock out, baby.